Hi, I'm Shaylin and you're watching Sally Funakoshi.
Wait, it's almost done. Hi, welcome to my mom's YouTube channel.
Today we will be making pumpkin butter mochi.
You're gonna need 2 cups of sugar,
2.5 cups of mochiko powder,
1 can of sweetened condensed milk,
1 cup of butter,
4 eggs,
2 teaspoons of vanilla extract,
2 teaspoons of baking powder,
and 29 ounces of pumpkin puree. First things first, make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
In a big mixing bowl, sift your mochiko powder, sugar, and baking powder.
In a separate mixing bowl, you want to add your melted butter, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, condensed milk, and pumpkin puree. Mix it all together. After you mix it, it should look like this.
What does it look like?
Baby food. Now you want to put your wet ingredients with your dry ingredients.
Now we have to mix it all up. After mixing it, transfer it into a 9x13 pan.
Bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Happy Thanksgiving! Hi, I am Shaylin from Mom and you're watching YouTube. Ding! That's introducing your channel.
YouTube.
Hi, welcome to my mom's YouTube channel.
Today we will be making pumpkin butter mochi.
Hi, welcome to my mom's YouTube channel.
Today we will be making pumpkin.
2, 1. Honey.
Mix it all together. All together.
Now we have to mix it all up. Now we have to mix it all up.
Bake at 350 degrees at 1 hour. Happy Thanksgiving.
You're holding my